All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, February 24th. My Wi-Fi went out mid-trade today. I'm gonna have to give you guys a quick trade. I'm literally in my living room right now. I'm gonna have to give you guys a quick trade recap of why I was actually bearish today, even though the market obviously ripped like a million points. I was bearish, so I'm gonna go over why I was actually bearish coming to market open, why I was looking for shorts. So obviously the daily time frame is cooked. We're consolidating. There's not much to it there, right? Take a look at the 4-hour on the other hand. We are in a 4-hour gap. We did end up rejecting this, I guess, 4-hour rejection block if you guys use that. I was bearish. I thought here we broke structure to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. I saw here we are rejecting OT of a bearish range, right? Coming to market open on the 15-minute time frame. What's price doing now? Coming into market open on the 15-minute time frame, it was pretty obvious we wanted these lows, right? We see a few things. We see, all right, we have London lows, we have New York PM low, we have previous day low. We also have these on the 1 minute, they're more clear. Hold up. There were good draws on liquidity. These relative equal lows, if not equal lows, resting right below us. You can literally hear my power in the background just turning on and off and on and off and on and off and on and off. But essentially, I wanted an entry to London lows. Did I get one? No. 9:30 ended up just consolidating. 9:31 didn't give us a candle closure. It just ripped. 9:32 didn't give us anything either. 9:33 didn't give us anything either. In hindsight, you could have entered here, targeting these equal lows, but it already swept London lows, so I didn't like that as a trade. I waited for more confirmation. I actually ended up entering here towards these lows. This is the trade I ended up taking, right? I did like this trade a lot. I thought it was very clean. It was a clear short towards my obvious draw on liquidity, in my opinion, right? It did not play out. Why didn't it play out? If we look at ES, we have an SMT there. ES took out previous day low, while Nasdaq was kind of chopping around for a bit in this range. I'm not really upset about the. It wasn't a loss actually. I got break evened. I was gonna say loss for some reason. It felt like a loss because my Wi-Fi went out and I couldn't look for a long after that. It's literally been an hour since this trade and my Wi-Fi just got back. So we ended up swooping this internal low in this leg, and that's when I went break even. I didn't go break even. We swept this one. After this candle closure that was mad sketchy, I figured, all right, if we sweep this low, I know this trade is pretty likely to play out. Let me go break even. I was very confident in this trade. I moved my stops to break even. Once we took that internal low, that ended up being low of day, ironically. So pretty good break even, in my opinion. This was all signaled live in the Discord, of course. If you guys want to join that, I live trade every day. The link is in bio. Ended up full closing my position at break even, and then logged into my accounts through my phone, caught some little scalps. I ended up passing one of my accounts. The other ones are halfway passed. One of them is fully passed. So pretty cool day, I'm not gonna lie. Besides that, price is just chopping right now. We already took the daily objective. Who's calling me? Stop calling me. Fuck. But pretty decent day, in my opinion. Honestly, like I said, I was bearish. I thought we were just going to take out these lows and dump. We ended up being very bullish, right? 15-minute time frame. You could have looked for longs after as well. Here's a pretty clean long. We tapped that 15-minute gap, and we get a very bullish reaction. You could have entered off. In my opinion, a good entry would have been, this would have been a loss too. And this is a good entry. This was a pretty good entry. This was a good entry. Is there a 5-minute gap there? Okay, never mind. It's not the best entry then. There was a 5-minute gap. Could have entered off this one. This is a very nice displacement to the upside. TP at this high if you want. Personally, I would have done TP like one of these highs. Just play it safer. This is a nice long. These are weird longs. This isn't a bad long, like I said, but it wasn't a 5-minute gap, so you had to be very confident in that draw, and it would not have played out. Unnecessary chop, in my opinion. From there, honestly, not much to it. Overall, pretty midday. I don't have Tradecopia on this laptop, on my laptop, so I can't show you guys my P&L, but It's fucking 0 because, like I said, I only traded 1 account. So I guess it's going to say 3,000, 4,000 because I have passed 4 accounts and then fully passed 1 account. So with that being said, no live funds are being traded. Tomorrow I will be trading a 1 Lucid Flex 50K, I guess, and I'm going to try to finish passing my other 4 accounts. So with that being said, I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.